Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Pranshi Mukherjee and I make videos on everything that I love, right from motherhood to fashion and makeup and beauty. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and consider doing it because we have very exciting content coming up very soon. As we all know, the festive season is right around the corner. Durga Puja, Diwali, Kali Puja, Dashera and whatnot. And with all the festivities comes, as usual, women have needs. So we all need beautiful, gorgeous sarees. So to all the saree lovers out there, today I'm here with most favorite sarees of mine that I just love. I love a lot, and as you a lot of you might know that we live in a joint family. So ये बहुत एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट हो जाता है कि हम लोगों को इतना ज़्यादा पर पर्सन इतना इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना पड़ता साड़ी के ऊपर. मैं कुछ साड़ीज खरीदती हूँ, जो स्टाइल मैंने खरीद लिया है वो स्टाइल मेरी भाभी नहीं खरीदती, फिर वो सेम स्टाइल मेरी मम्मा नहीं खरीदते. तो इस तरह हमारे घर पे बहुत डिफरेंट स्टाइल का एक मतलब चलता रहता है. हर किसी के पास डिफरेंट टाइप की साड़ीज है और साड़ी इज समथिंग दैट हैज नो साइज इश्यूज एंड एनीथिंग. सो all you need is the matching blouse and you're good to go. So here are a few pieces that are absolute favorite of mine and I'm gonna share with you. I'm gonna share with you right from the designer sarees to traditional sarees, silk based sarees, georgette sarees and everything. So you can pick your favorite amongst these according to your taste. You know what guys, festivals and memories are totally connected and a lot of things changes as you grow up. जब मेरे को जब अपनी बचपन की दिवाली याद है और जो मैं आज जिस तरह से अपनी दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करती हूँ, दोनों में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है. बस उन दोनों में एक चीज़ कॉमन है, एक्साइटमेंट. और जो मतलब एक जो एक्साइटमेंट होती है कि हाँ दिवाली है तो हम न्यू कपड़े खरीदेंगे, वो चीज़ बचपन में जैसी थी वैसी ही आज भी है. वो फील जैसा बचपन में था वैसा फील आज भी है. और एक टाइम तो ऐसा था जब ऐसा होता था कि दिवाली पे हम लोगों को न्यू कपड़े मिलेंगे और साल में वो एक ही टाइम है कि हाँ ठीक है दिवाली पे ही आप लोगों को न्यू कपड़े मिलने वाले हैं. तो वो चीज़ भी लाइफ में फेस की है और अब वो चीज़ भी है कि हाँ जब मर्जी चाहिए अब फटाफट अपने मिंत्रा खोला, अमेजोन खोला और फटाफट ऑर्डर कर दिया. तो अब ये फेस भी आ चुका है. बट स्टिल दिवाली में शॉपिंग करने का एक अपना ही अलग ही मजा है. So the first piece that I'm going to show you is from the wardrobe of my mom and I absolutely love this piece. So here it is. It is a pashmina silk sari. पश्मीना एक भेड़ होती है जिससे पश्मीना धागा बनता है, थ्रेड बनता है. और ये जो आप देख रहे हो इस साड़ी पे जो गोल्डन वर्क है वो पश्मीना थ्रेड है. ये एक्चुअली एक सिल्क बेस्ड साड़ी है. Now I should give you a heads up that it is a very heavy piece और ये लाइट वेट नहीं है. So you might wanna consider this one only if you love having heavy pieces, you love having heavy sarees and heavy jewelry in your wardrobe. It is a perfect go-to for you. So the next saree that I want to show you is something that has been in trend for a while now. I have seen a lot of influencers on Instagram and on Facebook wearing organza sarees like this one and I love lavender color. So I bought one in lavender color itself. I like to wear it with a magenta colored blouse. अब जैसे कि ये साड़ी बहुत सिंपल है तो जब इस तरह की कोई साड़ी होती है जो बहुत सिंपल होती है, लाइट वेट होती है, तो उसके साथ मुझे पेयरअप करना पसंद है कि मैं हैवी ज्वेलरी उसके साथ पेयरअप करूं. तो जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि इस साड़ी के साथ मुझे मजेंटा ब्लाउज पेयर करना बहुत पसंद है. तो मैं उसके साथ मजेंटा कलर का नेकलेस एंड ईयररिंग्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट सो दैट द एंटायर लुक comes together and goes well together. Now the second saree that I want to show you is this. It's called Jamdani. This have various bold bright colors, right from bold bright colors इसमें sober colors like beige and all of that इसमें available होते हैं. और इसमें दो तरह की जामदानी होती है. एक जामदानी होती है जो कंप्लीट सिंगल कलर्ड होती है और एक जामदानी होती है जैसे कि ये जिसमें बेस एक कलर का होता है, उसके ऊपर डिफरेंट कलर्स के थ्रेड वर्क भी किए होते हैं. तो आई डोंट लव मोनोक्रोम सो आई बॉट दिस एंड दिस इज yet another piece. It's absolutely lightweight. It is very comfortable to wear. You can wear the similar colored blouse with it. I sometimes like to go with pink colored blouse with it, but sometimes I do go contrast and wear like this green colored blouse. I have a green colored blouse like this one, this green, and I wear in contrast as well. So these are the different styles to go with this sari. So moving on to the next one. The next sari is again most special sari. Absolutely, I absolutely love. Now I'm gonna repeat this sentence on and on and on, again and again, over and over, up until this video gets over, because I love saris. You know, you guys just have to accept it. So the next sari is this one. It's called Balucheri, and I bought this sari from Kolkata. This sari cost me 8,000 bucks. Yeah, right. It's that expensive, but it's totally worth it. It's so classy, you guys. It's so classy. It just looks so amazing, yet it's so stylish, and it has very intricate work. It has this golden, yet golden combined with silver and bronze work in this one piece itself. Um, and yet the sari is so lightweight and soft to touch. It is absolutely very comfortable piece to wear. Now, as I've shown you the pashmina silk, that was also a very expensive sari, like this one, but that sari is very heavy. It does not feel comfortable. I'm going to be totally honest with you guys, that sari does not feel comfortable. I just wore it once because I love heavy pieces, and I will wear it again and again and again because I love heavy pieces. But if you are not someone who love heavy pieces, if you're someone who likes, you know, comfortable yet stylish clothing, this is a perfect go-to for you. Balucheri sarees is amazing pick, and you know, the intricacy in this saree, you just have to look at it. Just look at it. This is the pallu that I'm showing you. It has such a rich pallu. Moving on, so the third saree that I'm going to show you is this one. It's called Bhagalpuri Khicha, and I absolutely got inspired by Rekha. She wears this, you know, glittery, shimmery, golden kind of sarees all the time. You will find innumerable pictures on Google as an inspiration. And so I was just browsing one day, and I just came across this picture of Rekha's where she was wearing a beautiful golden shimmery sari. And so I just gave that description to the shopkeeper, and I bought this one. I absolutely love this. It is a very simple sari. It is a very lightweight sari. It has this little red triangular thread work on the border, and just that's it. It has this golden broad border as well, and that goes in the bottom near your feet. So I sometimes wear it with this blouse that it has, golden blouse. But sometimes I also love to mix and match and, you know, give it a contrast, you know, give it a twist, pop of color. So I also wear it with a red blouse, silk red blouse that has some kind of shimmer to it as well. So next up we have the Georgette sari, a red Georgette sari with mirror work. You know, every girl needs a good red sari, and so I bought this one. It has, I love mirror work too, I have to tell you. I just love mirror work. I have in fact two salwar suits that has complete mirror based work on it, because I love mirror work. So I bought this one, and I just cherish this sari so much. And this sari is not expensive at all. I bought this sari for 2200 or 2500, something like that. I don't remember, but it was something close to 2500. And it's just amazing. This sari is amazing. I have worn this sari multiple times, and I just love this freaking piece. So if you're someone looking for, you know, more pocket friendly saris yet more stylish and comfortable to wear as well, Georgette saris with intricate borders are a good go-to for you. Now coming to the end of the video, I have to show you guys two of my most favorite designer saris. Now the first one is from my Bhabhi's wardrobe, and I just love this piece. Again, this piece was bought in Kolkata, and there was this party at our home for which we bought this one for our Bhabhi. And it is magenta in color. It has dark navy blue colored border. The border is velvet, yet the sari is Georgette. The combination of Georgette with velvet goes very well together, and it is a beautiful combination. If got chance, I would definitely buy one more sari like this in a totally different color because I absolutely love this one. Now lastly, the last piece that I'm gonna show you is very close to my heart because this sari is the one that I bought during my marriage, and I wore this piece for my reception. So it is very close to my heart. Now this sari is a velvet sari. It has the stone border, and you know, this is it is total royal blue sari, and with maroon colored flowers to it on the border. And the sari is amazing. Yet but this sari, I have to tell you that this sari is very heavy. इस साड़ी के बीच में एक पोर्शन आता है जहाँ पे बीच में थोड़ा सा गोल्डन कलर है जो आपकी प्लीट्स पे दिखता है. तो जब आप वो साड़ी पहनते हो, गोल्डन एंड रॉयल ब्लू कलर का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है वो बहुत अमेजिंग लगता है. नाउ दिस साड़ी वाज अगेन बॉट इन कोलकाता और you know the entire West Bengal for that matter. Not only West Bengal, but I also love South Indian sarees, South Indian traditional sarees. साउथ इंडियन और वेस्ट बंगाल पर्टिकुलरली, ये दो स्टेट मुझे ऐसे लगते हैं जहाँ पे बहुत रिच ट्रेडिशनल साड़ीज मिलती हैं और डिफरेंट टाइप्स की. मतलब मैं नागपुर से हूँ तो बिफोर मैरिज इतनी सारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स की साड़ियों के बारे में मुझे पता भी नहीं था. But when I came here, when I moved here after marriage, I got to know that you know sari is not just georgette and silk sarees. You know there is so much to it. द वेलवेट साड़ी मतलब वेलवेट साड़ी एक ऐसी चीज़ थी जो मैंने जब मैं अपनी शादी की शॉपिंग के लिए गई थी मैंने तब देखा था फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. And I got lucky because you know we suddenly decided that if we want to go to Kolkata for shopping, and then this piece was waiting for me, and I just love this piece. It is very special to me. As I've told you, I bought this one at my reception, and you know so many memories. So guys, that's all for today's video. These were the 8 authentic different sarees that I love, that we have in our family, and that we you know share and mix and match to give it a altogether different look. So if you like this video, please consider hitting the like button and also subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel because it's free, and because we have very exciting content coming up very soon. Don't forget to press the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also tell me your favorite sari out of these. Which one did you like the most in the comment section below, and whether or not you are going to try and find a similar sari for yourself this festive season or not. So until next time, bye.